Folding at Home Projects 12110 through 12112. Protein folding research projects created by Hassan Nadim, University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign's Shukla Group. Peptide conformations using short peptides can be used to observe possible conformations, which are important factors for determining their function. Insights from these simulations can then be further extended to larger peptides. In this study, we aim to explore the conformational space of all possible short peptides and using modeling techniques like machine learning to gain insights. These can then be used for rational design of peptides for applications in biologically inspired materials, also known as biomimetics. Biomimetic materials have a broad range of applications. They might be used to create more efficient solar panels, develop new medical implants, help heal wounds after surgery, or improve the strength and resilience of materials used in construction.